This is New Farm, where your mornings begin on the river walk, with the city rising beside you and the whole day ahead. Walk to your morning coffee, cycle to the river, unwind in New Farm Park, and explore Brisbane's best dining, boutique retail, and cultural icons, all just moments from your front door. And nestled right in the heart of it all is this renovated 1920s Queenslander, effortlessly blending character with contemporary living. Step inside to soaring ceilings, polished hardwood floors, and original French doors, all in keeping with the 1920s heritage. The central kitchen connects beautifully with the open plan living and dining, spilling out to a rear entertainer's deck that captures soft breezes and filtered light. The primary retreat is generous in scale, with walk-in robe, modern ensuite, and private access to the deck, your sanctuary within the home. And downstairs, a rare and valuable feature, a fully self-contained second residence, complete with kitchen, multi-purpose room, bathroom, laundry, and private terrace. So what's in store for the next decade in New Farm? Well, homes are tightly held on this peninsula and buyer demand remains consistently high. So predictions are that this is a blue chip opportunity to secure a future in this most exciting precinct.